Hi everyone. Here we have a question on quadratic functions. The question says the function g is a quadratic function in the xy plane. The graph of y equals to g of x has a vertex at -1, -4. So the vertex is at -1, -4, passes through the points -2, -43, and 1, -160. What is the value of g of 0 minus g of 2? If you go on solving the question, it is going to take you eternity to solve. Okay. Like a lot of time. That's what I mean. But I'll show you a way through Desmos. You can get the solution in 20 seconds. So what we will do is we'll use our regression. We have 3 points, so we'll use those 3 points to plot our regression. And since it's a quadratic function, so we will do a quadratic regression. Let's insert a table, -1, -4, then we have 1, -160, and then we have 1. Oops, sorry, middle point, -2, -43. Right, these are 3 points. Okay, we'll come to this. If I click here, zoom fit, I can see all the 3 points. See, here's my 1 point, other point, and other point, right? All the 3 points I have. Now what do I need to do? I will go to add regressions. I don't need a linear regression. Linear regression gives me a straight line. I need a quadratic regression. It gives me a parabola passing through these 2 points. And the vertex, notice vertex is at -1, 4, as was given in the question. Why did I get at -4? Sorry, -1, -4 only. Why do you have the vertex here when you graphed it? Because 3 points are sufficient for the quadratic function. 3 points are sufficient to draw the quadratic function, okay? To do the exact quadratic function, 3 points are sufficient. And for a line, only two points are sufficient. Now, what do we need? We need g of 0 minus g of 2. But I need to tell Desmos, I need to give a function g of x to Desmos so that it can calculate the value of g of x at 0 and at 2. Okay, so I'll write it equal to what? The quadratic equation I have. And that's equal to this. Now see, it automatically gave me the value, and therefore that is my answer. That is what I wanted to find, and that is my answer. So my answer is 3, 1, 2. And that is option D. And that's my correct answer.